Hello everyone, this is my little YouTube show renovation, and in this video we are going to do a renovation project of a small abandoned house of 27 square meters. Let's get started. This building is located in Italy on the island of Sicily. This house is part of the House for €1 program. You can see that it's in an abandoned state. There are only 2 rooms inside. Each room has one small window. As you enter, you can see that the water pipes on the left. I think you could have a bathroom here. And in the small room there is an old cooker like this. This will be the kitchen. In the description it was stated that this house has 27 square meters of living space, but unfortunately I don't have the exact size of the rooms, so when designing we will be guided by photos. The layout of the house turned out to be compact, but at the same time quite comfortable. All living areas are maximally isolated. Of course, the living room and kitchen are not enough light, and I will solve this problem by adding windows in the roof. So let's see how it will look like and start modeling. This is the model of this house. Unfortunately, I have not managed to make a render. I suggest to see how Rowley would look like this house and the landscaping around it. I hope that this house will find a new life and will decorate the streets of Sicily with its beautiful facade. Write in the comment what you think about this project, like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss new videos. Thank you for watching. Bye everyone.